working with seismic survey data in SGY format from oil and gas exploration. This industry-standard format requires specialized software to interpret. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and work with these SEGY seismic data files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional SGY file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. An SGY or SEGY file is a standard data format used in the geophysics industry to store seismic reflection data. Users, typically geoscientists or engineers, encounter these files when processing and interpreting subsurface imaging data for oil exploration, earthquake studies, or engineering surveys. The SEGY format has a rigid binary structure consisting of a textual file header, a binary header, and a series of data traces. Each trace contains its own header with metadata, like coordinates, followed by the seismic sample values. This design ensures data integrity and compatibility across systems. Generally, SGY files are associated with CSWARE developed by CSWARE International Inc. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows provides basic file properties only, while GIS tools offer visualization and editing. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your SGY file, then click Open With. Test CSWARE if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If your SGY file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the SGY file won't cooperate. First, opening in Petrol. Use Schlumberger Petrol Reservoir Engineering software to import SGY seismic data files. Use the import function and select SEGY format. Petrol processes the seismic volume and enables 3D visualization, horizon picking, attribute analysis, and integration with well data for comprehensive reservoir characterization workflows. Next, using OpendTect. Install OpendTect, the open-source seismic interpretation software which fully supports SEGY format. Create a new survey and import the SGY file specifying coordinate systems and trace ranges. OpendTect provides advanced seismic visualization, attribute computation, and machine learning interpretation capabilities at no cost. Finally, programmatic analysis. Use Python with the SEGY or OBSPy libraries for programmatic SEGY file analysis. These libraries parse trace headers, extract seismic data, and enable custom processing workflows. This approach is ideal for automated analysis, quality control, and integration with machine learning. Seismic interpretation pipelines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.